Take a ride in the 2017 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, 3rd row seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.